Hi, this is Mark and Rose, I suppose, and my husband is doing dishes. Isn't he lovely? And it's sexy to watch a man do dishes.
Yeah.
He's so sweet. But we're fixing to do a mukbang with you. Oh, there's my daughter. Say hi.
Hi, my parents are weird, and yeah.
Okay, we're fixing to do a chocolate milk mukbang, me and my husband. Here's our milk. It's a big glass, and I like to put ice in it. And we are using these straws, Milk Magic. And this is what they look like. See, it's got the little chocolate beads in there. See? Okay, so one's his and one's mine. So, we'll be back. Okay, so while I'm sitting here waiting on my lovely husband, who is washing the dishes over there, he's trying to finish up so we can do this mukbang, the chocolate milk mukbang. So he's trying to finish up. Isn't he sexy? Isn't he lovely? I love watching a man wash dishes and clean. Yes, when a man cleans for his woman, that is sexy. So anyways, y'all, I cannot wait. God, I wish he... Look at this. Look. See, I already got our straws in here. Shh, I'm gonna take it.
Almost done.
That's good. He ain't looking. Oh my God, that's so good, y'all. Oh yeah. Ice cold milk. Yummy, yummy, yummy. See how the chocolate beads dissolve? Look. It's so good. Huh? Okay, so I think my husband's done. Okay, sit right here, baby. Okay. Okay, so here we go.
Wait.
Oh, you had something on your nose?
Soap.
Oops. He gets soapy when he's washing dishes. Okay, you ready?
I guess so.
Okay. Oh, God, this is so good, y'all.
Very good, actually.
I know. It's so good. Maybe a kiss will make it better. Okay. Oh. I can't see the milk because it's going down. It's going down lower, y'all, in the glass. See? My chocolate's almost gone. Ah, this is refreshing. It's refreshing. You don't want to drink milk too fast because y'all know what happens then. What happens, honey?
Your stomach gets upset.
Yeah, tummy gets upset. So, yeah. Oh.
Excuse her.
Hey, it's just good chocolate milk. That's mine. Give me my straw. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is so freaking good. Okay, we've been married for 8 years and been together for 9, so if y'all were just wondering how long we've been married. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't.
Oh God. This is filling, isn't it? Very filling. Oh, look, guys. Look, my chocolate is gone. My chocolate's
I
gone.
still have some left.
He still has some left, so. All they see is your head, baby. Okay, wait a second.
That's all.
You still got chocolate left. That means you need more milk. Put a little bit more in there. Woo, that was a good one. Come on, baby. Can you burp? Hey, it's just good milk, y'all. Good milk. When something's really good, I belch. You know it's good when you belch. Isn't that right, baby?
Yep.
I even belch after we have sex. Don't I, baby? I'm not going to say what kind of sex. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. And please subscribe. And what else? Oh, whatever. If you want to comment, then comment. Let us know you love us. We love you. So, guess we'll say goodnight. See ya. Bye.
See you. Bye.